Hey there! Summer is here, and it's the perfect time to make some extra cash. Today, we're going to share the top 5 Digi Earnings tips to boost your summer income. Tip number 1 is to sell your skills on Fiverr. If you have any talent, such as writing, graphic design, or video editing, list your services on Fiverr and start earning. Tip number 2 is to take online surveys for cash. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and sites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks will pay you for your opinions. Tip number 3 is to start a YouTube channel. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular area, create videos and monetize your channel using ads and sponsorships. Tip number 4 is to do freelance work on Upwork. You can find jobs in fields like writing, web design, and virtual assistant work. And finally, tip number 5 is to sell your stuff on eBay. Clear out your closets and make some cash selling items you no longer need. There you have it, our top 5 Digi Earnings tips to boost your summer income. Start earning today and have a great summer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.